Good morning, this is Jason Ahrens with Dimension Data, and today I've got a new Cisco UCS server. It's a M200 ACS1, and it's basically a 1U rack server. In this case, Cisco Secure ACS is running on Windows 2008 SP2. It's Cisco Secure ACS 4.2 for Windows. So this is my first time with the UCS in the M200. I've seen some of the 5108 Blade servers, but this is a 1U rack, just kind of a standalone server. And in order to connect to it initially, there is a management port on the back. I guess HP might refer to it as an ILO, or Dell might refer to it as a D-rack, or IBM's got their name for their management. But in this case, it's a CIMC, a Cisco Integrated Management Controller. And basically it's an out-of-band management interface to get remote video or to mount an ISO or a DVD on the M200. The default password is admin. The default username is admin with password. And at this point, once I log in, it'll give me a GUI, and I can then connect to the M200, power the server on, power the server off, launch a KVM console, take a look at the different settings via the CIMC. So it's a dual processor, how much power is being used, the hard drive status, the sensors. I didn't have to license anything here, so I'm assuming this is all free. I can get hardware data, looks like some BIOS data. And it looks very similar to an ILO card, but I'm going to go ahead and connect to the KVM console. And I'm running Windows 7, Internet Explorer 8. Appears to be a Java application. By default, it'll get a DHCP address for the CIMC, and then you can look in your DHCP server, see what IP address it got, and then connect to it that way, and then change the IP address. So here comes the Cisco Virtual KVM console. Oh, I can record it to file. And then log into the server itself and do some troubleshooting. And again, this is the M200. It's a 1U plain old server. And this is the Cisco Integrated Management Card, or the CIMC, which is similar to the ILO.